Hi, I'm Naomi, co-founder of Garage GymLife, and today I'm giving you my review of the OpenRock S2 open-ear air conductive earbuds. I've got a chance to play around with these for the past 30 days and just want to give you my honest opinion. Now granted, I've tried out lots of headphones. I love tech. I've tried multiple types of wireless and Bluetooth headphones, but this set of headphones actually does stand apart. Let me tell you why. So first of all, the packaging, very simple. This is the case of how it comes to me. Real easy setup. It does have an app in which you are able to use connectivity with your Bluetooth to your cell phone, real easy. They are very lightweight, as you can see here. It does have, I think it's 7 grams is the weight of the hook that goes over your ear, and it's air conductive. It sits right on the inside of your ear. When I say it's lightweight, I've fallen asleep listening to these. Almost forget that I even have them on most of the time, okay? The sound quality is phenomenal. The bass, be bassing, okay? That's the best way to describe it. But it's not an interruption to anyone that I may be next to. The other thing I like about it is dual connectivity, so dual device connectivity. So while I have these headsets set to my cell phone, so whether I'm listening to a podcast or music or just watching anything off of Netflix, I also have it connected to my work computer. So if I get a conference call, I can switch over to that conference call. Once it's completed, I can get right back to what I was listening to before. Another thing about it, which sets it apart from other devices I've used in the past, is I can switch whether moving forward or backwards on a track or on a video and on either ear, as opposed to sometimes it's only the right can go forward and the left can go backwards. Also, I can change up my volume with either ear. I can also answer and disconnect calls with either ear, which is great because I can either use with both ears or I can use one and leave the other one free. So again, I love the fact that it gives me that option. Okay? Also, the other thing is about playtime. It's about 32 hours of playtime. It does charge pretty quickly. Now, there is a side note when it comes down to charger. The packaging, like I said, it was very simple. The one thing that did not come in that box was a charging cable. The case is adapted to USB-C charging, and we all have extra cables. We get them all the time with other devices, so I guess it's assumed that you'll have a USB-C available for charging. So the charging portion is very fast, and like I said, the life of the battery life is about 32 hours. One of the drawbacks I kind of wish that the case did have was wireless connectivity. I did try it and put it on my wireless headphone charger that I use for another set of headphones, and it does not charge wireless. So that would be one feature I would suggest adding to the headphone set. It does have a light indicator also. It's very tiny, you can't see it, but it's right here in the front. So it will let you know how much battery life, because this is a portable charger for you as well for your headphones. It will tell you whether it's green for it's fully charged, yellow if it's about halfway charged, and red if it needs to be charged, to let you know when you need to go ahead and get this plugged in and have it charged. Again, what I love about it is the comfort, the ease, and the convenience of these headphones. I mean, they're phenomenal. So if you would like to get your hands on a pair of the OpenRock open-ear air conductive earbuds, click the link in the description below so that way you can get your hands on a pair as well. Thanks so very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.